Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Today, we're demystifying three terms often used interchangeably: AI, machine learning, and deep learning. This video is for anyone curious about technology, whether you're a student, a professional, or just an enthusiast eager to understand the buzzwords of the digital age. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, concise understanding of what each term means, how they relate to one another, and their incredible impact on our world. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the broadest concept. It's about creating machines that can think, reason, and learn like humans. Think of it as the ultimate goal. AI's applications are vast. From self-driving cars to medical diagnostics, its aim is to solve complex problems and automate tasks that typically require human intelligence. Now, let's zoom in on machine learning, or ML. Machine learning is a subset of AI that enables systems to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Instead of telling a machine exactly what to do, you feed it large amounts of data, and it learns to identify patterns, make predictions, or take decisions based on that data. You encounter ML every day: spam filters, recommendation engines on streaming services, and even the fraud detection systems used by banks, all leverage machine learning. Finally, let's explore deep learning, or DL. Deep learning is an even more specialized subset of machine learning. Deep learning uses artificial neural networks inspired by the structure and function of the human brain, allowing it to process complex patterns in data. These networks consist of multiple layers, enabling them to learn from vast amounts of data and perform sophisticated tasks, especially with unstructured data, like images, sound, and text. Deep learning excels in areas like image recognition, natural language processing, and speech recognition, where traditional ML methods might struggle. So how do these three concepts fit together? Think of it like a set of Russian nesting dolls. AI is the largest, all-encompassing field, the big umbrella under which everything else resides. Its goal is to create intelligent machines. Machine learning is a specific approach or method within AI. It's one of the ways we achieve AI, by enabling machines to learn from data. Deep learning is a more advanced technique within machine learning, utilizing neural networks to handle highly complex data and tasks. These technologies are not just theoretical. They are rapidly transforming industries and aspects of our daily lives. From personalized health diagnostics and smarter search engines to advanced robotics and automated customer service, AI, ML, and DL are everywhere. The future possibilities are immense. As these fields continue to evolve, we can expect even more revolutionary breakthroughs that will reshape our world. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of AI, machine learning, and deep learning. Remember, AI is the broad goal of intelligence. ML is a method to achieve AI through learning from data, and DL is a powerful technique within ML using neural networks. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for anyone engaging with technology today. They are interconnected fields, constantly pushing the boundaries of what machines can do. Stay curious and keep learning.